Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew a California real estate license. So these licenses are valid for 4 years, so make sure you renew before the expiration date. The Department of Real Estate may send a reminder about 60 days before your license expires, but you are still responsible for renewing even if you do not receive one. So the fastest option here is through the secure e-licensing system. Log in, enter your completed continuing education course details, and pay the renewal fee using an accepted credit or debit card. You can also renew by submitting the correct application form. So salesperson use RE209, brokers use RE208, and corporate officers use RE207. Include the continuing education verification form, RE21, and the required fee. You can also renew up to 90 days early if your license expires. You also have 2 years to renew late, but you cannot perform license work until the renewal is complete. Afterward, check your license status online. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.